Hi guys, and welcome to unboxing just one thing. But that one thing is nothing but an iPhone 5S. My new iPhone 5S, I got it today, and we're going to be unboxing it, and then after we've unboxed it, my dad's going to set it up, and then we're going to see it in full action, so I can join the chat that we have. So let's try and get it open. We don't need that. It's got a lot of things around it. Oh, there we go. Box. It's opening. Oh, it's very hard. Oh, we got, don't know what that is, but yeah. Should be cutting open. Guys, I'm going to skip to when I've got it open. Okay guys, so I've took all the cellophane off. Now we're just awaiting the phone. Here we go. Hey! There's the charger as well. But look! My iPhone! Yay! I got an iPhone! There we go. It won't turn on yet because it's new, of course. Yay! I got an iPhone and a charger! Yay! I can join the Year 6 chat now! So guys, thank you very much for watching. This big boy is going to get connected and is literally going to go straight on to Wi-Fi, and I can see myself through the phone. Yay! So yeah, I can just see myself. That looks stupid. So guys, I'll see you guys later, and this just looks stupid. Bye!